Today we have a Bosch dishwasher that's giving us an E24 error, and it's also not moving forward in the cycle. It's not letting water come in. So something has gone wrong here. What I'm going to do is press the start button for 1, 2, 3 seconds. I'm going to see if it'll do a drain cycle, and just want to make sure that it can drain, because usually E24 is talking about a problem with drain. I've got the drain hose disconnected from underneath the sink into a bucket, and I'm noticing that it pulses. Some water comes out, then it pauses, some water comes out, pauses, and that's totally normal for a Bosch and a Miele dishwasher. But after about the third or fourth pulse, then the water should come out steadily and should come out pretty strong, like we're seeing in the video. That's a sign of a good drain system, a good drain hose. So everything in the drain system is working. If it still was having trouble draining, it's probably something caught in the air gap up near the kitchen faucet, something or where it comes into the garbage disposal underneath the sink. So I'm going to put this one back onto the sink drain. Make sure it's on tight. I'm going to remove the 2 Phillips head screws from underneath the dishwasher, and I want to see if there might be something wrong with the fill valve, the thing that opens up and lets water come into the dishwasher. Maybe it's a bad connection, or it could be that it needs a new fill valve, which is actually pretty easy to install. You can just do it right here from underneath the dishwasher. So the thing to my left where my hand is, that's the fill valve, and there's a little wire connector on the back of it. I'm going to grab it and just pull it off. Here's the wire connector. A lot of cobwebs there, so I hope I'm not going to get bit by a spider. I'm going to set for AC voltage. I'm going to put my probes into the wire connector, and I'm going to turn on the dishwasher so that it just starts a normal cycle. After it drains, it should fill, and we should see at least 110 volts coming in here. And we have 123 volts. That's great. So we know that the dishwasher's doing great. It's getting power, but there's no water coming in. I got to make sure the water's turned on underneath the sink. When I put the connector back on, it actually started to work. So it was a bad loose connection where the power comes into the fill valve. And I just put it back on, and dishwasher's working great again. Hopefully that'll help you. If not, you can go ahead and replace the fill valve, which is, again, really easy to do. You can get them for about $40 on Amazon, and that should cure the problem. So we know the drain's working good. We just had a problem with fill, and that was a result of a loose connector that comes into the back of the fill valve. So hopefully this will help you get yours going, and thanks so much for watching. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy, very similar, dealing with appliance repair. So thanks again for watching our video.